come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, babies. You want to come, but you're not sure how to get out. Okay. Here, look. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's it. Come on. Come on, Striker. Come on, Taffy. Camel. Oh, there we go. Look. There you go. You're all out. Happy puppies. So these are the Abbey Aspen puppies. They are 4.5 weeks old. They're just starting to get to the fun stage. Running around, playing, wrestling, having a good time. They're such nice, happy babies. You see the little tails just a-going on them. Just a-going. They're wrestling, growling, starting to find their voices. They're just adorable. So this is Fizz. She is Salt and Pepper Girl. Hey, pretty girl. Where you going? Come. This is Taffy, or Truffles. I think her new name is going to be Truffles. Hello, Cooper. She's the smallest in the litter. There's Camel. Another girl. So those three there are the girls. Yes, happy puppies. Oh, you're so happy. Are you a happy girl, Fizz? Are you a happy girl? You are. Yes, you are. And somewhere over here, aha, he's following the other dogs around. There is Striker. He's got the beige collar on. He does not have the stripe down his back. There, happy boy. Happy boy. Hello, baby. Hi. Yes. Oh, is Mom bugging you? Is Mom trying to play with you? I think she is. And this little black bundle of energy running around is Sophia's puppy, Coco. She is 8 weeks old and goes home today. She's only going to be about 6 pounds. And Abby's pups are all going to be more in that 12, 13 pound range. You, Missy, get out of there. Abby, leave it. Coco! Come. Leave the puppies alone. Quit trying to boss them around. Come on. Go. Yeah, it's a good girl. Hey, babies. So Fizz. Striker's by the door. He's a little explorer. Loves to check everything out. And like I said, his tail never stops wagging. He's so happy. You're all so happy, aren't you? Hey, Camel. Hi, baby. Yes, good girl. Hey. Just give one dog attention and everybody else has to get in there, too. Fizz. Taffy. Hi, Pop. Hello, babies. Hi. Oh, Abby, you have such pretty puppies. Yes, you do, and they're so sweet. Fizz, we can't see you under there. Come on, baby. Come on. There's Striker again. Hey, pop. There you go, Fizz. Caramel. Yes, you're so cute. Come say hello. Yes, hello, Striker. Oh, you're happy. Happy boy. Oh, yes. Here. You want your belly rub? Oh, yes, you want your belly rub? Hey, Fizz. Come here, you. How are you doing? Yes, good girl. Oh, you are going to be a lot lighter when we give you your haircut next week. Oh, and Caramel, you too, you want attention too. Yes, you too, yes. Hello, baby. Baby. Hi, sweetheart. How are you? Hi, Caramel. Hi. Do you want a belly rub too? Can I give you a belly rub? Oh, yes. Belly rub. Oh, you enjoy the belly rub. Yes, you. Quick, your sister's going to pounce on you. Come here, Fizz. Come here, Tank. Oh, belly rub. Let's do a belly rub. Yes. Good girl. Oh, yes, good girl. Okay, up and at him. Taffy. You've gone underneath my desk. Yes, you have. It's dark under there, and we can't see you. No, we can't see you. Hey, Taffy. How you doing? Happy girl. That tail's just a wagging. Yes, it is. Look at you. Precious. You're so precious. Yes, you are. Yes, baby. Do you give you a belly rub? You want to have a belly rub too? Oh, yes. You guys like your belly rubs. Yes. Okay. Go, go, go. Hey, pups. Oh, they are getting so fun. So much fun now. Hey, pups. Abby, bring them out here. Abby, bring them outside. Come on. Abby, come. Come on. Up. Fizz. No one's going to come outside right now? Nope, not yet. You're just having too much fun inside. Camel found the ball. He's going to play with the ball. Oh, rope toy maybe is more exciting, hey? Sniff that all over? That look like it's going to be fun? Coco, you think those are just big toys, don't you? Big toys to play with. Hey, Striker. Are you going to be bold? Go explore the big outdoors? Are ya? No, maybe not. You're so cute. No, Caramel's found another toy. And where are you going with that toy? You taking it to bed? Apparently. Ooh, you haven't figured out that call yet. No, you haven't, but you will. Pretty soon. Good girl, Abby. Hi, Camel. Hello, Striker. Hi, pretty puppy. Yes? What are you thinking? You're thinking about something, aren't you? Yes, you are. You were thinking. Good girl. Good girl, yes. There's Taffy. It's coming out from under the desk. She's thinking. Are you gonna come? Come. Come on, pup. Oh, you're just having fun. Just having fun. Yes, look. Here. What do you think? What do you think of that toy? Eh? You're not too sure. You're just having fun exploring. Hey, Fizz? Good puppies. That's Cooper. Cooper is what is he? He is the great-grandpa to this litter. Yes, Aspen is his grandson. Good girl, Abby. You tell her. Yeah, you tell her she can't be too rough with your babies. You're such a good mom. You're such a good mom. What a good girl, Abby. Well, we're just about coming to the end of playtime. Taffy is settling right down already. Striker is usually the first one up and the last one to go to bed. Girls are a little bit quieter. Having fun. So there you go. These are Abbey Aspen puppies, 4.5 weeks old. Just getting to the fun stage. They're doing great. Yeah, a lot of fun to watch and play with right now. Striker, you're hilarious. You found a prize. Oh, and Coco stole it. Yep. What you doing, Abby? You playing with your girls? Yeah. Fun and games. Pretty puppy. Abby, you're hilarious. Yes, you are. Keep wanting to shut this off, but they're just so much fun to watch and to play with. Well, in this case, watch, because... Hey, pop, 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 pop. Hey, Cooper, don't be teaching that boy any of those stud dog tricks. Nope. Don't need him figuring that stuff out. Hey, Striker. Camel, you found a bone. You found a big bone toy to play with. Yes, you did. Taffy, you just loving under that desk, don't you? Come here. Come here, baby. Come here. Abby, we gotta get her out from under that desk. You come out here and play. Come out here and play. Yes, good girl. Yes, good girl, Taffy. Good girl. Oh, yes, happy. Oh, Cooper, you're funny. Oh, you guys are so cute. You just make the heart feel good. Yes, you do. You make the heart feel good. Cooper, be nice to your great-grandchildren. Cooper. Okay, enough already. We got work to do. Yes, we do. We have work. Attaboy, Striker.